Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create custom buttons for vendors and customers in Zoho Inventory. This is incredibly useful if you want to streamline your workflow by adding quick access buttons that perform specific actions directly from your customer or vendor pages. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're there, log in to your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see an overview of your inventory operations. Now look towards the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to all the configuration options that help you customize Zoho Inventory to fit your business needs perfectly. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down to the general section. Here you'll find an option labeled Customer and Vendors. Click on it. This section houses all the settings related to how you manage and interact with your customers and vendors within the platform. Inside the customer and vendors settings, direct your attention to the top side menu. You'll notice several options displayed across the top. From these options, select Custom Buttons. This is where you'll be able to create personalized buttons that can execute specific actions with just one click, saving you time and effort. Next, click on the plus New button to start creating a new custom button. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with two options, one for creating a customer button and one for creating a vendor button. Choose the interface where you want your custom button to appear based on your current needs. After selecting the interface, you'll see a field asking for the custom button name. Enter a clear, descriptive name for your button so you and your team can easily identify its purpose at a glance. Now, move to the button type field. Click the drop-down arrow to reveal the available button types. Select the one that best matches the action you want this button to perform. This step is important because it determines what happens when someone clicks your custom button. Next, you need to specify the location where this button should appear. Click on the location field and choose from the available placement options. If you want to see how it will look before finalizing, click Preview. This gives you a visual representation of how the button will appear on your customer or vendor page, helping you make sure it's positioned perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the button name, type, and location, click Proceed to add the custom button. Your new button will now be available on the selected interface, ready to help you perform tasks more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom button in Zoho Inventory that's tailored to your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.